Hello freaks, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning about directions or the scratch coordinate system. For a better understanding, we created a simple game where the cat can move by pressing arrow keys. Now, when we start the game by pressing the green flag, the cat repositions itself and displays a message saying position in X is 0 and position in Y is 0. Yes, this is the center or the origin. As you can see, we have 4 different activities that our cat can perform: playing a baseball, eating an ice cream, rocking the guitar, and playing the basketball. To do any of these activities, we must move the cat to that location using the arrow keys. While we do this, I want you to observe the message displayed by the cat. First, we will play baseball. For this, we start to travel in the right direction. Keep an eye on X and Y values as we are moving. You can observe that as we are going towards the right, the value of X is increasing. It went from 0 to 10, 20, all the way up to 150, right? It means if we increase the value of X, then our cat can move towards the right. Let's see what happens to X if we try to move towards the basketball. The cat seems to be bored by playing baseball now. You can see that the value of X is decreasing as we go to the left. It went from 150 to 0 and then became negative as we move further to the left. It means if we want to go in the left direction, the value of X should be decreased. I hope it's clear now. To check, I have one question for you. Now our cat is at the position where the value of X is 20. Now what will be the value of X when cat moves 20 steps towards the right? And also what about 20 steps towards the left? The cat is bored by playing and decides to spend some time with her music band where she plays the guitar. To reach the band, the cat starts going up. Notice the Y values this time, and as you can see, as we move upward, the Y value starts to increase from 0 to 110. It means if we increase the value of Y, then our cat can move upward. I think it is pretty clear now how the directions work in the scratch, and I hope you all can help the cat feel its tummy after traveling so much. So what will we have to change in order to reach the ice cream van? Yes, you guessed it right. We start decreasing the value of Y to start moving in the downward direction. And just like we observed with X values, while moving downwards, the Y value reaches 0 and becomes negative from that point until we reach our van. That was a lot of traveling, right? And hey look, the cat is thanking you for the treat. I hope that the scratch coordinate system is clear now, and next we shall see the code to make this all happen.